Okay, here we go again with older truck sagas. And here you see we have a yellow fuel injector. And over here, 2 or 3 more yellow fuel injectors. Back here, there's 2 more, but oh wait, what's this pink one? Well, what happened here? Well, I'll tell you what happened. We're on our way down to see the Eclipse 2024, and all of a sudden the engine starts running rough on us. And I had just put in a whole new set of injectors, but apparently one of them has failed. And I tested the failed injector here. This is one of the I keep forgetting what the name of these is. It's not Delco, it's like, I don't know, some other thing. But anyway, the injector failed. They're supposed to have 15 to 16 ohms of resistance. This one had 32. Now that I have it out of the engine, it's registering infinite resistance, meaning it's just open circuit. There's nothing in there no contact. So something happened to this particular injector. I don't know if I can get my money back for it or not. They're only a couple 6 months old, something like that. Usually stuff like that might give you 30 or 90 days. So anyway, this one here, I went to the friendly Napa store and bought it. It was $98. This engine is supposed to have a 21 gallon per minute or 21 gallon per hour flow rate, and I don't know if this one's 21 or 24. Their paperwork doesn't specify, but their computer says this is the one for the truck. $98. Well, okay, I'll bend over and pay the money for it. But it does work. It's doing a good job. The truck is running nice and smooth again. We were barely able to make 50, 60 miles an hour because we have strong headwinds right now. We're cruising along the Lincoln Highway, which runs parallel to the I-80, and we're having a really good time. There are some really neat little towns here. If you ever do get the chance to drive the Lincoln Highway, highly recommend it. The road is good. There's lots of cool little towns to park and stay. Explore, neat old buildings, and the speed limit is 65, so you still make pretty good time. In an RV, it's actually good because at 65 your mileage is going to be a lot better, and there's a lot more opportunity to find places to stay. Okay, so this is done, and one of the things that I highly recommend doing when you do this is I bought this here replacement pigtail for the injector, and I think the